Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter referral code on Wise. First, log into your Wise account. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Click your profile picture in the top corner. Go to Actions and Agreements, then select Referrals and Rewards. On the Earn page, scroll all the way down until you see the option to enter a referral link. Tap the field, then paste the referral link you received from a friend or contact. After pasting the link, tap Submit. If you meet the requirements, such as making a qualifying transaction, you'll receive your reward automatically once it's processed. And that's it. That's how to enter referral code on Wise. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.